Hello everyone out there in YouTube land, this is Keon, this is Rocco Johnson here with an update video. I am about to go get my new exhaust put on, and I ended up going with the Borla exhaust. I have straight pipes. I'm gonna have straight pipes all the way through. I'll explain in another video why I went with the Borla and everything. But yeah, and pretty much what this video is going to be is a sound clip. Now I've already warmed up the car's all warmed up. It's pretty cold out here, so I apologize for the wind. You can see the snow on the ground and everything. But yeah, so I'm gonna get right to it. Sorry about that. Yeah, so that's the car with the stock exhaust system. Only other thing I've done to it is put the engine cold air intake on it, and yeah, that's it. So next time, lost my chain of thought. I don't know why I said next time. Yeah, I'm gonna go get the exhaust put on, and then I'll be doing the sound comparison. Hello, everyone out there. I am making a sound comparison video now to compare my old exhaust to my new one. I went with the Borla catback exhaust and the Borla cat delete pipe and all that kind of stuff, and it pretty much gives me straight pipes. So it's just straight pipes from the headers back. So it's a straight through exhaust system, and it's all Borla. I'll make a separate video on why I went with them. Yeah, the tips look great. I really like the way it looks, and the way it sounds is also good too. Alright, this will be a cold start. I'm gonna let it warm up. Well, I'm gonna start it up, let it warm up, and then I'll give it some revs. So that's pretty much it. I'll be making flyby videos, in-cabin videos, just to hear how it sounds. When I've been driving with it so far, it sounds pretty good. It gets pretty loud. Do I feel any kind of, you know, gain so far as like horsepower and torque and whatnot? A little bit. Again, you know, it's just straight pipe exhaust. It's not like, you know, I'm gonna feel crazy gains and stuff. But I feel good. Yeah, so that's it.